Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you how to install cartridges into the mp499, pre-filled cartridges that is. All you would do is when you unpack it, you would lift up the scanner unit and that gives you access into the cover. And there you can see the black and the colour. And you can see the blacks indicated by a B and the colour cartridge is indicated by a C. So let's have a look at a cartridge. I'm only going to put, well actually we'll put them both in. The cartridges are supplied on carriers and it's designed to protect the cartridge and prevent leakage. We've put this orange tape on. So let's have a look at how you will put that in. You would just take off your orange tape very carefully and you will note there's the position that you would fill, just there. When you come to refill the cartridges. So you would click off. It's a bit cack-handed when you're doing it in front of a camera, so please excuse me. You're going to click off that clip there and it's off. So there's the clip that's come off and there's the protective strip that protects the head. The next step is you just take off the protective strip, and I'll try and do this better on the colour cartridge, like that, and then you would just push your cover up, that will bring the cover up, and you just pop the black cartridge in, like so. For the colour cartridge, it's exactly the same. We've got the 3 tear tapes, 3 fill holes, so you'd take off a piece of tape here. Do it very carefully, we don't want to go pulling out these fill colour venturas. So we'll pop him down there, bring our cartridge back and then remove the clip. Again, they're fairly tight but they come off fairly easily. It's just to make sure you don't get any leakage and that you protect the cartridge. Pull off the tape. And as we did with the black, pop him in and you're good to go. Lower the scanning case and the printer will go off and sort that out from there. And I hope that's helped. Thank you.